So this is where we're staying at. It's called the Victoria Falls Safari Lodge. It's pretty big, and right now it is scorching hot. It's October. I think this is their hottest season. So let me just show you around. This is the outside area. And then this is the reception area. You can come down here. We have some nice architecture here. I think I said that wrong, but architecture. That crocodile looks real, but it's not. And they call this the Buffalo Bar. And here you have the bar area. Sorry.
It's okay.
And it's a nice concept area, open, large. They do have the little swimming area right there. Let me take you around. And then we have Babe out here sipping on some cold beverages. How are you liking it?
Well, hello there.
How's the drink?
Thank you for welcoming me. This drink is amazing. It's smooth, flavorful. Let me tell you, the alcohol is on point over here.
Oh, really?
Show them the background, my friend.
And that over there is called the watering hole.
You're really going to take it in? You're not that way.
So we just got here to our lodge, and this is our room number 56. I'm gonna just show you over there a little bit, kind of walk through this way, and you can also walk through that way. And here we are.
Hello, who is it?
May you please open?
Of course, of course. Hello, hello, and welcome to our wonderful Victoria Falls suite.
How are you?
Answer. I am great.
So, can you give us a little tour?
Of course. So, coming in, you get a nice little panoramic view
Okay,
of the place.
hold on.
We're
Starting off over here.
Perfect. So this is a little where we have our glasses for our drinks.
Oh, you checked in here? There's glasses?
Yeah, we have some glasses
Oh, okay,
over
there's some
here.
glasses
You know,
here.
so when we entertain out here in Africa, people come visit us.
So they gave us, we're gonna walk down here. This would be like the living room area. Let me give them a full view. So starting from there.
High ceilings, as you can tell.
Yes, very high ceilings. And this would be like a living, this is the living room lodge suite.
Okay.
Okay. And right, ooh, I almost stepped over. And we're walking right here. They gave us some complimentary champagne on the house.
Complimentary champagne on the house.
Ooh, okay.
You know, we're good customers. They love us here already. Showing the love, we appreciate.
Outside, we have an outside area.
It's a double door, just so in case you want a little air and not get the mosquitoes in.
Yes.
But for you guys, we're gonna open it.
Yeah.
There you go, baby. Give them the
Oh,
view.
so we have a little. Oh, this is perfect. You got. So this is the dry season right now. It's the hottest month of, I guess their season, October. We're in October, and usually this is all green. But we came around the time when it's extremely hot. And over there is the watering hole. That's what they consider the watering hole. They usually have some animals here, including elephants, buffalo, deers, bamboos, and also the vultures.
There's vultures and there's little monkeys that like to climb into the room, so we have
Yes.
to leave the door closed.
So let's not stay out here too long.
After you, my queen.
We've been already sipping on some nice drinks here. This is so cute. Yes.
You got the AC on.
We do have the AC. Thankfully, the rooms are equipped with AC. If anyone knows me, you know me well. I do not like being hot.
Nice and cool in there.
And we have this wonderful sculpture right here. It's a mural.
Yes, it's a mural.
It
It's
is
built
a-
into the wall.
Yes.
We have a nice painting right here.
Yeah, I did show them that one as well.
Okay.
And then we're gonna walk towards this way. This is the front area when we were before. And right here to the entrance, you have a
Guest bathroom.
it's a half bathroom. This is what you call a half bathroom. So if you do decide to entertain people, which we're not, they do not need to use the bathroom that we would have. They can use this bathroom. And coming along,
Let's show you
please
the
escort
upstairs.
us upstairs. So you have the stairs that will lead you into the main bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Thank God my knees are okay right now. Imagine.
This is a
So
nice,
here are our suitcases.
intimate area.
Yes, let me go this way first.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have the windows here. You have a little
at that
sitting
view.
area here. Let me see if we can focus. You can see. Oh, we don't have too much light here. Maybe we can put the light on.
Okay.
Yes. And here is the master bedroom. How cute.
Come this way.
We walk this way. You have a little desk area.
Some closets.
Some closets equipped with a safe.
Just in case when we go into excursion, that's very good.
Yes.
Another closet, you know, really simple.
Yes. Then, oh, they have this mosquito nets just so you don't get bit by mosquitoes if mosquitoes come in at night. And right here will be our master.
Bathroom, there it is.
Yes.
We have a rainfall shower right there. Amazing. Let me get out the way. Give them a nice view.
So we do have a nice rainfall shower, as he was saying.
It's nice to soak and tub over here.
And we have a super cute soak-in tub right over here. But so yeah, this is where we're going to be staying at.
Yes.
It is definitely nice.
Very
I would
nice.
recommend that you do book here. We're gonna today relax,
Yes.
and then tomorrow we have a couple of excursions.
Yes.
Are you ready to do the excursions?
I am excited.
Excursions.
I don't know what to expect, but I know it's going to be amazing. The people are wonderful. They're very nice. They're very humble. They welcome us everywhere. I'm sure they're going to show us the best sights. And it'll be amazing to see these waterfalls.
Yeah, so for now we're just gonna relax, sit down here, and let's see what the rest of the day brings us. So tune in. Bye.
Bye.